So I wanted to show you briefly the features of your book, because I think you might be missing some neat resources that are very useful for your learning. So if you click on your book link right here, you'll see the table of contents, and you see these little tabs here. One says reading, the other says media, and the other says images. Now, of course, you can read the textbook and all the sections. Here you can go to different sections of the textbook. You can highlight here, and you can put little notes. You can bookmark pages. You can print pages if you don't want to look at it online. And then it has this other My Notebook feature that allows you to save things. But what I really wanted to show you real quick is the Media tab. Here on the Media tab, you can see there are videos for many different topics, and they're listed by chapter. And if you're working on an ALEKS assignment, there's a lot of videos here. You can hit these little round circles, and there are a lot of examples. So let's say you're working on your pi, and you're working on graphically solving a system of linear equations, and so you need some help with that because you haven't seen it. And if you just look at the name of the topic, you can go over here to the videos and you can do a search. So like, for example, if I just type, I don't even have to type the whole thing. I can type, for example, solving system, and do a search for that. You'll see chapter 1 is blank, 2 is blank, 3 is blank, because there aren't any videos with those search items on there. And actually, there aren't any. So let me try again. Let me go a little bit less. Let's just say solving. And so here, so not in chapter 2, not solving inequalities. So we go down here, and here in the chapter 7, where it says systems of linear equations, I see solving a system by graphing. And here's another one, solving a system by graphing, solving by substitution. So these two videos are applicable to that topic. So if you're struggling with that, you can click on this one.
Solve the system by graphing. Y equals x minus 4.
Okay, let's lower the volume there. And then you can watch the the presentation here. And it also, it seems, let me go back here. It looks like there was another one. Let me go back. It was chapter 7. Okay, let's take a look at this one. And so here's a video with an instructor showing how to do this problem. So and again, you can go back and do this for all of these other different topics that you might be struggling with. So that's a great resource. And then here you have all the images, which might be helpful if you wanted to save them. But the big one that I wanted to show you is the Media tab, and how useful that can be for your studies.